Elements of fiction, plot, character, and setting. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our course Literature in English Education. In our previous meeting, we discussed literary genres and learned how to distinguish poetry, prose, and drama. Today, we will focus more specifically on fiction, particularly on the fundamental elements that build a fictional story. Understanding the elements of fiction is very important because before we can analyze or teach a story, we must first understand how it is constructed. Just like a building has foundations, walls, and structure, a story also has essential components that shape its meaning. Today, we will explore three major elements of fiction: plot, character, and setting. 1. Plot. Let us begin with plot. Plot refers to the sequence of events in a story. It is what happens in the narrative. However, plot is not just a random series of events. It is carefully organized to create meaning, tension, and emotional impact. A typical plot structure includes 5 stages. 1. Exposition, introduction of characters and setting. 2. Rising action, development of conflict. 3. Climax, the turning point of the story. 4. Falling action, events after the climax. 5. Resolution, conclusion of the conflict. For example, in many short stories, the author first introduces the main character and situation. Then a problem appears. The tension increases until it reaches the climax. Finally, the story moves toward resolution. In teaching, understanding plot helps students summarize stories, identify main events, predict outcomes, analyze conflict. Teachers can ask students to create plot diagrams or rearrange mixed events into correct order to strengthen comprehension skills. 2. Character. Now let us move to the second element, character. A character is a person, animal, or figure in a story. Characters drive the story forward through their actions, decisions, and conflicts. There are different types of characters. Main character or protagonist, the central figure in the story. Antagonist, the character who opposes the protagonist. Supporting characters, additional figures that help develop the story. Characters can also be classified as static characters, those who do not change significantly. Dynamic characters, those who experience development or transformation. Understanding character is essential because stories are often about human experience. When students analyze characters, they explore motivations, emotions, strengths, weaknesses, and moral choices. In ELT classrooms, character analysis can encourage critical thinking, develop empathy, promote speaking through discussion, inspire creative writing tasks. Teachers may ask questions such as, why did the character make that decision? How would you feel in that situation? Do you agree with the character's actions? These questions stimulate deeper engagement with the text. 3. Setting. The third element we will discuss is setting. Setting refers to the time and place in which a story occurs. It answers the questions, where and when does the story happen? Setting includes physical location, historical period, social environment, cultural background. For example, a story set in a small village in the 19th century will have different social norms and conflicts compared to a story set in a modern urban city. Setting influences characters' behavior, mood and atmosphere, type of conflict, theme of the story. In literature teaching, analyzing setting helps students understand context, develop cultural awareness, interpret deeper meaning. Teachers can ask students to describe the setting visually or imagine how the story would change if the setting were different. 4. The relationship between plot, character, and setting. It is important to remember that these three elements are interconnected. Plot is driven by characters. Characters are influenced by setting. Setting shapes the conflict within the plot. For example, a survival story in a desert will create different conflicts compared to a romantic story in a city. The environment affects the events and the characters' choices. When students understand this relationship, they can analyze fiction more critically rather than just retelling the story. 5. Teaching application in ELT. As future English teachers, you should not only identify these elements but also transform them into learning activities. 4. Plot. Ask students to identify exposition, climax, and resolution. Create story maps. For character. Conduct role-play activities. Write character diaries. For setting. Describe the atmosphere using adjectives. Compare settings from different stories. By focusing on elements of fiction, literature becomes a tool to develop reading comprehension, vocabulary, speaking fluency, and critical thinking. Today, we have learned that fiction is built upon essential elements: plot, character, and setting. These elements work together to create meaningful narratives. Understanding these components allows us not only to analyze literature more deeply but also to teach it more effectively. In our next session, we will practice analyzing a short story using these elements. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing your insights in our next discussion.